Evolves every day, so does the planet. It's easier to move and travel from one country to another and explore different cultures, but you will often find foreign currencies in different denominations. These currencies are valueless until exchanged to local currency, and many are not in the know. But apart from banks and forex bureaus, where else can you exchange currency? Our reporter Mwangi Maina tells us more.
Along the streets of Kangemi Estate here in Nairobi, you will find these stands with different coins and notes in foreign currencies. And not only coins, but items made up of precious metals like brass. Most of them are run by young men and are strategically located by the roadside. We came to learn that these are unofficial forex bureaus. We caught up with one of the operators and had a sit down with him to learn more about this business. With the world being a global village, you might find yourself with foreign currency and probably you don't know where to take that currency apart from putting it in your house as souvenir. Like I have this dollar here with me. But do you know people here in Kenya have diversified means of making sure that you convert your foreign currency to local Kenyan shillings? This is Kangemi's Bureau de Change.
A lot of our ladies or our men and women, they normally work at least around like they here Kileshwa, Lavington, Spring Valley, Westlands. The guys who or ladies who work at least for Indians, you know, for Wazungus, at the end of the day, I pay cash because there's no Kenyan cash, but I pay just $5, $100. You may receive even 10 customers. But depending on the cash they have come with, that's where when you will know. Because customer may come with even just 1,000 per day, but the currency they're coming with, there's not worth. Or ishatolewa maybe from that country, kama 1,000 ya Kenya, ishatolewa. Sasa nakuja nawambia no, it can't work or it's already out of the market. So if a customer can come with only $1, I can give him, since it's only $1, you know. This is not $100, so I give him only 60 bob, so that when I take it to bureau, I can be given almost 80 bob.
With me here, I have 10 dirhams from the United Arab Emirates. How do you know the value of these 10 dirhams? And maybe probably previously you had not dealt with dirhams.
Okay, that's why I told you I normally check on online or even Facebook. But according to Forex, you have to check on daily. Because today, dirham was going by 23 bob each. So that's the time when you'll know you can give a customer either 18 bob or 20 shillings, so that if it's only 10 dirhams. So that's the time I'll decide how much will I get from that. There are so many guys where our ladies work, you know. Either a lady or a child or even just a man can come to surprise the lady who is working in that house. And just because the guy knows the value of the item, either a necklace or or a earring, the guy may consider just not to give cash, but to give the item. But as long as you know what is a gold, the lady may bring me to tell me what is this.
And that is Kangemi's Bureau de Change. My name is Mwangi Maina.
Dollar since the name, you know.
Like how do you know that?